Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do my favorite makeup and hair products of 2019 because as you guys know I love a beat face. I'm either bare, no makeup, or full-on glam. So my favorite primer of 2019 is the Fenty Prolific Primer and also the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have the travel size. I've had it for months now. It's very hydrating. It keeps your makeup in place. I love the soft matte from Fenty, which is what I'm using. And then for corrector, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow found concealer in Sun Beige. This is supposed to be under eye concealer, but I use it as a corrector. If you're my skin tone and you want something like the MAC concealer that everybody always use, that has the pen but a cheaper version, I would suggest using this. It has a peachy undertone, and if you're my skin, this is perfect for you, because if you use the orange concealers, it's going to be very hard for you to cover up. So
you better talk to yourself.
no, babe, Mr. Urquhart. Oh, babe, so I'm gonna talk to myself.
You're recording?
Yes.
So what y'all gonna do with that?
My favorite makeup products and hair products of 2019. And then
That's not too high.
no.
So that's the voiceover now?
Voiceover.
You gonna say I record?
Yeah. It's a talk through video.
Oh.
Me not voiceover. I'm a brush girl, so you can use a sponge. I like using a brush. I find that brushes give me more coverage, and I like coverage a lot. So for favorite foundations of 2019, it's gonna go to the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm in the shade Caramel, and the NARS Radiant Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. These two. I love this one, but this is not my exact shade, so I'm always mixing it. I just love the coverage it gives, and it has an extremely yellow based color, and I like to mix it with my foundation from Mary Kay. I have a zillion of these foundation. I use them to mix and to contour all the time. How have you?
I don't know, I have a phone.
Go get the phone. You're not going in for him.
I will if I cross through this light.
So
I thought she was gonna do a different video.
I am after this.
You want me to stick around for it or not?
Yes, babe. Favorite concealer is definitely Fenty, and I'm in the shade 3. This is not 310, this is 345, but this is 310. Sometimes 310 is a bit too light, like in the summertime, and I need to use 345. Using this one to yeah, yeah.
So up to the part of the video that you're not talking.
That I'm not talking. The only part of me not talking unless me doing voiceover, and I'm not doing a voiceover. So
When I came in here, you wasn't talking.
because me do me, me do. Me already talk about me do already. I like to go back in with my foundation brush to blend out my concealer so there's no harsh line. And favorite under eye powder for 2019 is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 20 Light Medium. The only thing I hate about this powder is that it's messy. It's really messy. The sifter holes on this powder is way too big. So if you buy it, I would suggest you leave the plastic that it comes with on, or else you're going to be highly annoyed at the amount of excess product that comes out. The sifter bronzer, definitely Fenty Beauty. This is in Beige and Gal, but if you want a more affordable version, you can go with the Black Radiance, but definitely Fenty as far as bronzer goes. Face powder is the Fenty powder, and this is in the shade Honey. I like to use this to set all over my face, and the reason why I like it is because it's not drying a lot of other powders tend to be very drying, especially on dry skin these days. All the powders are made for oily skinned people. So this is not too drying, and it sets my makeup in place just enough where I don't feel like I'm dying. Eyebrow products is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyebrow Gel. I used to neat and fine my brows a lot with eyebrow pomade and stuff, but nowadays I'm not into any of that. And that is the face. So let's talk lip products. I love the Fenty gloss. I can't find mine. I guess because I've been traveling so much, I don't know where it is. This is my go-to red lip, and this is a Fenty Beauty uncensored stunner lip paint favorite. If I'm ever wearing a red lip, this is what I'm wearing. I love the Milani Matte in 19 Covet, and then the Maybelline Matte Ink lipstick in 55 Driver. I mix these two to get my perfect nude lip. The drugstore Shine Shot Maybelline. As far as lashes go, I buy these pack of 4 from Amazon. I'll link them down below. They have lasted me all year, actually all year, even though at the end of the year I didn't wear as much eyelashes. Evian is my favorite facial mist. Love this spray a lot. It's very finely milled. It's very comparable to the Morphe. So let's talk about hair products. The Alicate Natural Lemongrass Leave-In is one of the fave. Love this as a leave-in, light leave-in. The Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment. I use this in my hair because it's color treated, and I also bleached my hair, so this is great. Then the Balm Fuse Foam. This is actually black owned, and when I want my hair to stay, this is what I use. And then the Eco Cocktail Superfood Curl Complex. Curl and Style Cream is what I use in my hair when I'm not trying to use gel, but I still want a little bit of a hold. Yep. And then sponge. Love my hair sponge for the size of my hair. I realize that my hair is getting longer, so the top part won't sponge as good as it used to. So those are my favorite hair and makeup products of 2019. This would have been a favorite also, but it doesn't fit my phone. So basically you can put a micro SD card or SD card in it, and transfer all your pictures or videos to your phone, but it don't work with my phone. This part is too big, but that's neither here nor there. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.